Oh my god, I look crazy, but geez, I look really tan. So guys, I told you like before, I'm gonna be doing this Halloween thing. I am so beat from yoga all day today, but I'm going to have a good time and hang out with some friends, so I'm going. Basically, I am gonna be a cat, or whatever the hell kind of ears I got. I think a cat. So my plan is to wear this. It's gonna be terrible, but I'm trying to use like all my own stuff because I didn't want to spend like a bunch of money, like, and you can't return anything because Halloween sales are final. So I have this black bodysuit that is kind of off your shoulders a little bit, and it's long sleeve. So if you can see, that's it right there. And then I have these really, really tall black, wide calf black boots with a heel. And then I went to Party City and I got only literally like two things, because I was like, I want to use my own stuff. So over top of the leotard or bodysuit, if you will, whatever, I have these black body shorts. I don't have stockings. I should have thought about it, but like their stockings are expensive. Like, no. And then I got these super cute black ears. So I'm trying to go for an all black look. I just took a shower, I put on my tan stuff, and I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to show you everything. I'm doing a very natural makeup thing. I have a lot to do tomorrow, and I cannot like look like I was wearing a bunch of makeup. I just don't like the feeling on my face, and it's just like too much. So I'm gonna be going over all that stuff with you guys, and yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, thanks for clicking on this video. I know you guys are as excited as I am. So change of plans. Oh, you guys are gonna hate me. That costume was like way too much for me, and I am not like in the correct state of mind to be just like dressing up and dressing out. Like, it was way too much. 1, 2, I don't have stockings for it, so like I hate my legs being out without stockings for a costume. It drives me insane, and I just like, I can't do it. I went through my closet. I was gonna go be a schoolgirl. I was gonna be my kitty cat with my cute freaking ears that I can't even put on my head. Like, they're so, oh my gosh, wow, okay. All of a sudden my head's too big. They are really cute, but we're not doing it. So if my friend Madison wants to wear them, I'll let her wear them. Turning my complete turnaround costume. So I'm gonna show you guys like what I look like in this mirror. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. I'm just gonna be this army person because I have army pants, I have army leggings, and then I'm gonna put black under here. And yeah, and call it a day, because I have no, I mean, I'm really, really stuck. And it's so hard to like just come up with these kind of things, especially when the first few things did not work out the way you wanted it to or expected it to. That's the worst. And I think I should have just got to see my options, because now I'm like, wow, what am I gonna do? So there I am. Hello. I can zoom in for you. So yeah, that's basically my costume. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and put the black stuff under my eye. Like, this is a struggle. Oh my god. It's terrible. It really is. Yeah, I don't know. And it's like cold for this, but like it's Halloween. So what are you gonna do? We're just gonna be doing really simple makeup. Hair is kind of like a mess because it looks like I just went to combat. I'm so lame. So I'm just going in with first this Almay concealer I've been using for a long time now. It's actually really good stuff. I don't use name brand stuff. I'm not paying all this money for name brand stuff that's like super expensive. I will just use Almay for my time being. So literally how I do makeup is probably way different than a lot of people. I obviously squeeze the tube and I put it like this. Like that. Then I can't see. Just do this. And please don't comment like, oh my god, you're not supposed to put it right there, because I don't care. Like, I haven't had any problems, so. But you can tell I'm tired because of my bags. So I need to like get rid of them. I don't know where my friend is, but she's taking way too long, and I am not gonna be in the mood to go to this freaking party. She needs to hurry up, because I do want to go. I got this off Amazon. Also, they have it in Target. just this butter bronzer. It smells like Hawaii. I've been using it for so long, I don't know why I should give it up. This powder also comes on the bottom, which is kind of dope. A little mirror so you guys can see. I'm so lame, look at me, oh my god. So there was a thing in here, but I took it out because I didn't need it. And this is just I don't know if this is a certain brand, but yeah, that's all I use. Go in here a few times. And considering that I'm already like tan, I don't really need that much on, but I can if I want. My neck area and all that fun stuff. And then my eyebrows, because those are so important to me. Now I've had this, this is a brow tint medium by Ulta. Literally just running out, so I gotta get all this stuff on the side. And hopefully I don't mess this up, I probably will. Keeps them in place. But also I'll show you my other magic trick that I do. Like I do the most simplest thing to my eyebrows and it's been getting me somewhere. So L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. So it's kind of faded away because you can't like really see the words, but yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it looks like this, like a gloss kind of, and I don't put that much on because it's kind of dark. So it keeps your eyebrows in place and they don't move, and literally this is my everyday simple makeup. So yeah, this is what happened. I'm sticking with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so annoying. Yeah, I don't know.